Okay, what'd you think?
It was amazing.
Amazing?
Yes.
Whoa, what do you think made it amazing?
It was the amazing parts of it, I think, made it amazing. I don't know.
Yeah, how was the wind?
Oh, it was really tough to go against the wind.
Was it?
Yeah, it was, really tough.
Oh, okay. Would you do it again?
100 times yes.
100 times yes.
We're gonna go kayaking.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know where you're at?
Tippecanoe Lake.
All right, cool.
Yeah. So that's my kayak, the Pelican, and then she has a different Pelican called the Pelican Premium.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna be riding in the cooler. So I'm already a pro at this kind of thing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Aren't you supposed to be in the water when you kayak?
That's for the other kind of kayakers.
Okay.
He's out. The race.
Doing great, buddy.
Thank you.
How'd it go?
Great. Great. You were boning and groaning. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that was fun. That was awesome, except for the getting wet and getting cold part.
How's the wind?
It was brutally hard. Compared to last time, it was really hard. But it was really fun. I liked the challenge. I didn't give up.